Hey guys, no video for our English-friendly Japan playlist. Some of you might have seen on a previous video, our friends the meat guy in Nagoya sent us this crocodile claw. So we were having a family barbecue with the extended family, the grandparents and aunts and uncles and everybody coming. So it was a good opportunity to break out the crocodile claw. So what we found in the past is it's quite nice to cut it up into small pieces. Now, remembering, of course, that the unskilled labourer is also a very unskilled kitchen hand. So the way this is being done is not terribly professional or very good, but it does seem to work. Just cut it up into small pieces and then put it on a skewer. And then, of course, we have to keep some of the claw in one piece because we can. Nothing better than sticking a crocodile claw on a barbecue for getting everybody's attention. So some of these guys had actually eaten it before and were looking forward to it because they knew that it was tasty. As we mentioned on the other video, it's excellent. The first time we bought crocodile was just as a novelty. We thought it was interesting to put a crocodile claw like that on a plate, but it's really tasty. It's really tasty. It was actually more popular. Everyone queued up when we started to serve it out. Everyone was queuing up and trying it and then coming back and trying some more because it's excellent. It's it looks like chicken or fish. It's really low fat. It's really, really healthy apparently, and really tasty. Really tasty. So the youngest people eating it were 3 years old. The oldest people eating it were 70, and they all loved it. Not one person didn't like it. So we let that claw cook for a while like that, and then we cut the skin off it. It peeled off really easily, and then cut the rest of that claw into small little cubes, and then just dropped it in a bowl, squeezed some lemon over it, and that was it. And then people were eating it with toothpicks, just little pieces like that. It's really good. So if you're in Japan, you want to try the crocodile, there's lots of other stuff. They've got pork and beef and all sorts of other good stuff as well. Imported foods, Chubu, Aichi, the meat guy. If you're in Japan, check it out. They'll deliver it to your door. Pies too. Anyway, there it was. More videos coming soon.